Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, in here, in the second Android Studio project, I want to demo about the new, what is that? New project. The name is Doa. Doa. So, as you can see, yesterday, actually, in the first part, we demo about this application, the dashboard. So now I will explain. I will demo about this, the Doa. Yeah. So the Doa basically have many Doa in here from, as you can see, from Doa good attitude, and then uh, Doa eat and drink, and then Doa morning and night and evening. And then Doa about vacation, and then Doa in home, and then Salat, Doa about Salat. So let's see in Doa Etika Baik. So as you can see, the title is Doa when sneeze, and then Doa when angry, and then Doa when majolis, and Doa for uh yeah, good deeds. And this is the Doa. So the Doa like this. So many things in here. Yeah, this is for the first Doa when you sneeze. Alhamdulillah for the first option, and then the second option Barakallahu. And then for the third option, Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu. Uh, what is that? Balakum. I don't know. I'm sorry about that. Okay. For the second dua is when angry. So when angry, A'udzubillahi minasyaitonir rajim. Yeah, this is for dua when angry. And then this is for when majalis, Rabbi firli uh, watuda watuba alayya innaka anta tawwabul ghafur. My bad. Okay. And this is for dua good deeds. Jazakallah khairan. Yeah. And this is for the translate. Yeah. This is, by the way, I'm using Indonesia. The translate. Okay. As you can see, this is the translate for the first sneeze, and then this is for angry. This is for majalis, and then this is for what is that? Good deeds. Okay. In here, there is the Latin one. Allahumma inni yarhamukallah yahdilakum yuslih balakum. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim wa fi billahi jazakallahu khairan, ya. And then in here the profile, like the uh riwayat from famous uh Imam like Bukhari and Imam Muslim, and then Ibn Majah, and then Imam Tirmizi, and yeah, Imam Tirmizi. Yeah, that's for the Bagan. And in here in Makan and Minum data, yeah, we have uh we have again, that is doa when fasting, doa when eat, and before eat, and doa after eat. So when fasting, the doa is zahabat zoma'u wa batalatil uruku wa sabatal ajru insha'Allah. And then the doa before eat is Bismillah, and then the doa after eat is Alhamdulillah lazi at'amahu haza wa razaqna ya bad, bro. Alhamdulillah lazi at'amani hadha wa razaqanihi min ghairi hawlin minni wala quwwatin. Like that. And then this is like before the same, the meaning, and then the Latin, and then the profile, and then the, yeah. Next we go to pagi, and in pagi we have a doa before sleep, and then doa after sleep, and then doa when there is something that horrible in sleep. Okay, this is the doa. Yeah, as you can see, the first doa is Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya, and then the second doa when after tidur, Allahu Alhamdulillah ilazi ahyana ba'da ma amatana wa ilahi nusyur. And then when there's something that kind of horrible or scared, أعوذ بكلمات تعمل من شر من my bad من غضبه وعقابه وشر عباده ومن همزة الشيطان وأن يدور. Yeah, like that. So this is the what is that? This is the was Latin. Yeah, the dining profile. Yeah, and then for perjalanan we have when enter to vehicle, and then when enter to market, and then for musafir, and then for mukim, and for mukim, yeah, like that. Yeah, and in rumah, let's continue in rumah. In home. So in home we have the doa for clothes, and then doa for enter toilet, and then doa for go out from toilet. Leave, and then doa for enter to home, and then doa for leave home. Yeah, like that. This is the doa. You can pause, maybe you can pause, because I will go to the next is doa salat. And in doa salat, yeah, this is so many as you can see here. So the first is doa before wudu, and then doa after wudu, and then doa enter to masjid, and then doa to leave masjid, and then doa when hear azan, and then doa iftitah, doa ruku, doa uh, doa wake from ruku, and then doa sujud, and then doa sit between two sujud, and then doa tashahud, and then salawat after tashahud, and then doa before salam. As you can see, there's so many. So they're here. I cannot explain all of this because too many. So I just show it to you, and you just pause if you need. Yeah. So that's the for all doa, and in here the doa list of doctor. Yeah, we have a doa list of doctor. So this thing create the private file. Yeah, file that is list doa title and logo. So yeah, this is the logo. This is using glide and many things. So we'll continue to doa model. So in doa model is create a data class. Doa model, saving the data class like variable. He create a variable title is string, and then variable doa, variable translate, Latin, and profile. Like in here, for what this is, yeah, this is for this one, as you can see in here. This is for title, and then for doa, for translate, Latin, and profile. Yeah, as you can see in here, like, right? It's true. Okay. And the next is detail doa. So in detail doa, this is so many things. Like, so the function is like binding, create binding. So as you can see, support action bar title is like doa title, and then title doa is like title, and then title Arab is doa, title RT is translate, title Latin is Latin, and title riwayat is profile. Yeah, so many things. And there is extra doa that. Okay, let's continue to here. So in here, we have a binding. So binding is equals to activity list doa binding. Yeah, inflate or like that. And in here, as you can see, there's the doa. So doa when morning and afternoon, evening, and then home, and then drink and eat, and then vacation, salat, and good attitude. So as you can see in here. This is based on the list dua pagi and malam data, and then based on list dua rumah data, and then dua. So this is the data, like the data from here, as you can see, dua etika baik and something like that. Yeah. Okay. We'll continue to the binding of the dua. Yeah. We'll continue to menu dua activity, as you can see in here. So the menu dua activity, the function is to create as you can see, the icon for morning, and then the icon for home, eat and drink, and then traveling, and then what is that? Vacation or traveling, and then this for pray, and then for good attitude. Yeah. And then next we will go to layout in here. So this is the layout, the final, the UI. We can call it the UI, yeah, maybe. So in the tile doa. So this is the layout. This is the code first. So as you can see in here, this is the code for, like the layout actually, the position like this, the title. So as you can see in here, the title. So the text size is 24 SP, and then the colors, tag, the alignment center, the pop is bold, yeah, like that. And then in under the title, there is a Bismillah, like the doa, and then the Latin, and then the description, and the riwayat. So it's based on here, like doa etika baik data. So it will show the title is doa etika baik, and then like in here, as you can see, for example, the when sneeze. So when sneeze, in here will show doa Wednesdays, and then this is the doa, and then the Latin, the description, the riwayat is based on here, so we can change in here actually. And then next, on detail activity list doa, my bad. So activity list doa. So yeah, this is the UI actually, the UI, one of the UI. So this is the item one, the list, like the list of the doa, item zero, item one, item two, item two, and until nine. Then we can continue to activity on doa. Yeah, this is the most interesting. Like as you can see in here, there's the background, and then the doa doa. So as you can see, doa for night and afternoon, and home, and then drink, and my bad, this is after, evening, and then eat and drink, and then traveling, and then salat, and then good uh, attitudes. Yeah. So wow, this is the based on, yeah, you know what is based on, what is it? What is it? What is it? This one. Not this one. Actually, it's based on, what is it? Nah, this one, the menu doa activity. So this is the code, and this is the code actually, and this is the code for layout. My bad. This is one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and the rest is item row doa. Yeah, item row doa. So this is show the image, like the image and the title. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's all for the doa inspiration adapter. No, doa inspiration. The doa project, doa every day. Yeah, doa every day. So wow, I've been record for about 11 minutes. That's crazy. Okay, maybe that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.